Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is not just for lovers. Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day. If you love your family, that's very correct. Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day. Family is really all that matters to me. Busy pa sila guys. Ako pa isa dire. Nagbantay ko sa mga handa ni mami. Kibali. Kuan ra ko. Tigbantay ani pagkaon. Kinapay lang ko ni mami. Nag-invite to siya birthday Valentine sa among silingan. Ila ba ni Jake Pecha? Unang to asa si mami kay it's 85th birthday of ng daday. Huy! Asi! Out! Unang ako sa rakan. Tapos mag-init pa ako sa lechon paksiw katong gahapon nga. Kabahinan nila sa ilang meeting mga kagalawan. Di ako. Nagpakaayo ang lechon paksiw. Napagod na gani guys. Pero okay pa niya pag mainit na. And then mabutangan na sa buog ka ng oyster sauce. It's really good for our dinner tonight or this evening. Mom has a Valentine cake from her children. It's yet in the carton. It's packet flowers. What's this? Oh, it's vegetable. Another pancit and palaw, latikan na palaw, still pancit, and what's this? Delicacy, everybody's favorite food when in times like this. Thank you guys, bye.